Hey guys, my name is Anu and I'm the Glam Prow here on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of video. Today we're going to be discovering a new way of shopping for foundation online. If you, like me, have been struggling to find your exact foundation shade, join me in this journey of finding how to shop online for foundation, which is the new normal right now. As we know, we are in the middle of a global pandemic, but we still need to shop for our foundations. There are brands that still launching products and base products. The only way to get your hands on those products would be to know your shade, and since you cannot go into the stores to try something or swatch something because everything has been sanitized and quarantined, so why not find a new way of shopping online? Now, I've been using this method for many years. I generally don't find my exact match in stores here. I tend to buy everything online because I'm an online shopper anyway, and it has never failed me, and I thought it was about time that I helped everybody out there who's clicked on this video to know how to buy your foundation online without being able to swatch them in store. So I'm going to be sharing my phone screen on this side. So open your browser and type in findation.com, and you should land on a website which looks like this. This is foundation. You know your foundation shade in any of your brands that you're using currently, and then you can actually find your matches in another brand based on the foundation that you're already using. So I'm going to click on Get Started, and this one brings me to a whole list of brands. So the first step is to put in the brand of foundation that you're using already. So I'll put in Huda and I'll check Huda Beauty, and then it gives me an option of picking the product. And I'm going to use the Faux Filter foundation, and I know my shade is Trailesh, so I'm going to put that in here, and I'm going to add another match so that I get a closer match to the foundation that I want to buy. So I'm going to put in NARS because NARS is my next favorite match, and then I'm going to put in the Radiant Longwear Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and then I know my shade is Stromboli Medium 3, and I've added, so it's always good to add like maybe 2 or 3 shades, so I'm going to add another one, and this one is going to be Sephora collection because I'm a really good match with the Sephora brand, so I'm going to add Sephora collection. And I'm actually in love with the Glow Perfection foundation, so I'm picking the Glow Perfection foundation, and I'm in 31 Almond, D31 Almond. So now I have picked 3 of the foundations that I currently use and I love. So I'm going to now just say find my matches. Now what this will do is give you a list of all the brands that are there, and it'll give you every shade in each of those brands that are your foundation or your concealer shade. So it lists a lot of brands. So what you can do is you can actually say browse the specific product, and then it gives you a pop-up. And then, for example, I want to buy the new Fenty Beauty foundation, so I'll just do Fenty Beauty, and then I'll select the product and say the powder foundation, so it's the last option here, and I select the last option, and then I say find my match, and then it says Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. My shade is 290, which is exactly spot on, and I use the shade 290, and you can test this with the other brands of foundations that you own. This website actually gives you a really exact match. So it really takes the hassle out of finding out what your undertone is, so you don't really have to go into that, you know, the whole process of finding out what your undertone is, what your skin tone is, which is your exact match. So this website does exactly that for you. So like I said, I've been using this website for many years to find my foundation shade, and it's always been spot on. Add more than 2 or 3 options and then you'll get an even closer match. This website actually really helps me when I want to buy a higher end brand and I don't want to go into the store unprepared. It's not just for buying online, it also prepares you. If you're going to drop like $100 on a high-end foundation or concealer, you want to prepare yourself before you go into the store so that you are well informed as well. So what this website is going to do is it's going to give you the options to prepare yourself before you go and drop your big bucks at a store or even online. So that's the way I shop for foundation online and I match myself online. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join my family. I'm going to share a lot of these tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. Shopping online is always a nightmare, but I hope this video helps you. I'm going to link the website in the description so it's easy for you. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe and join my family, and I will see you in my next video.